Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning webcast. Okay, daily chart, support at the daily midband. Pretty much a doji day on Friday. They popped it up, they brought it back. It's pretty much been a flattish. Globex, we're down a couple of handles. Remember, we're in the December contract now. Looking at the hourly, your new weekly pivot comes in 2,900 quarter. You can see last week on the September contract, they rejected here on Tuesday. They converted the weekly pivot over the course of Wednesday and Thursday, took it up Thursday, chopped it around, and then had a decent Globex. And then we spent the majority of the regular session on Friday just kind of heading down, heading back up, and that what you have right here though is a potential higher low if they can go ahead and take out the highs from Friday up at 17 quarter. You're going to have to print 22 to make a new all-time high. The hourly bands are tight. It's a byproduct of all of this. So as we head into Monday morning, this is one of these mornings where I really want to sit back, let it open up, see what it wants to do, and go from there. I don't want to be making any big decisions at 9:32 in the morning about what this market wants to do. Trading as low as, 04 in the overnight, with the weekly pivot here, you would think that it deserves a touch at some point this morning. The issue becomes, is it support? Are they going to break through? Can they try to convert it to resistance? The bears, for me, are not part of the conversation in any way, shape, or form until they can convert weekly pivot to resistance. And by default, you're also then converting the big round number at 2,500 to resistance. If they can do that, then they can start to head back down to explore some of these lower levels from last week, down in the in the 60s to the 70s, and at that point we can start to determine who wants to prevail over the course of the week. The other scenario is weekly pivot holds, 2,900 holds, and you just get this slow, frustrating bleed that at times wants to be a little bit choppy as we head up towards the all-time highs. You got to watch for that too. So like I said, there are far more questions than there are answers as we head into Monday morning. So be patient, kind of let it come to you, and then trade it accordingly. But keep an eye on that weekly pivot. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with a bunch of stuff on social. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.